करता वो प्यार।
Today we are going to reflect upon Jesus who understands others. The sweetheart of Jesus is the most precious gift to us by the Father as a guarantee of our salvation. The heart of Jesus is the fullness of love and mercy. It is the source of unending stream of joy, peace and comfort. He is a real friend. He kept a precious gift ready for those whom he loved even after his dishonorable death. He is the true friend. The precious gift he had kept was his pierced heart. Yes, Jesus poured out even the last drop of his blood for me and all humanity. Jesus has personal consideration for each person. He does not distance himself from anyone. He is close to everyone. If we go through the gospel, all the incidents make us grow in this knowledge. If we take some particular incidents, this idea will be made clear. The paralytic at Bethsaida. For 38 years he had been disturbed by paralysis. No other person was bothered about him and his problem, but Jesus was. Jesus saw him. He has special intention to meet him. Without asking, Jesus cured that person. The Samaritan woman, new time. She did not expect anybody to near the well, but Jesus knew that she was thirsty for the living water. He did not want her to fall into damnation. She had to be saved. Jesus gave consideration to each one individually that helped her to attain salvation. Zacchaeus. Here Jesus knew that the house of Zacchaeus needed salvation. Because of that, Jesus took that way. Jesus asked Zacchaeus to come down from the tree and accompanied him to his house. We can see that in all this, Jesus took the first step. Like that, many other examples also we can see. Jesus go to the people in their places to give them healing. The healing of the son of the widow of Nain, curing the epileptic, healing the blind man. Since he had consideration and love for all, he could not have left any of them to wallow in their misfortune. There are also instances in the Bible where we see him shedding tears. Today, Jesus is inviting us to contemplate his loving heart and imbibe, make our own, the attitude of his heart. As we wake up, we begin our day by consecrating ourselves to the most merciful heart of Jesus. if we consecrate myself daily to Him, shouldn't there be a mutual exchange of my heart with His? Let us not forget that it is important that we become a consecrated person with the compassion, humility, and meekness of the heart of Jesus. Plead with Him in earnest to make our heart like His own. He wants me to journey to the other as He spreads the fragrance of His unselfish love from His heart. Let us pray for the gift of ardent and caring tender love to accept the cuts and bruises of love in my body and soul like Jesus. Let us be good news of love.
प्रभु तेरा प्यार सागर से भी गहरा, तू है महान आसमानों से भी ऊंचा, तेरे विचार सागर के रे से ज्यादा, प्रभु तेरा दर सृष्टि से भी है बड़ा, प्रभु तेरा प्यार सागर से भी गहरा, तू है महान आसमानों से भी ऊंचा, तेरे विचार सागर के रे से ज्यादा, प्रभु तेरा दर